Today's tech buzz is all about Intuit, the financial software giant that just dropped some exciting news that has everyone talking. Intuit reported its fiscal third quarter earnings, and the numbers are seriously impressive. So let's dive into the deets. Intuit's non-GAAP earnings per share for Q3 2024 came in at a whopping $9.88, which comfortably beat the Zacks consensus estimate by 5.78%. This is an 11% jump from the same quarter last year. Revenue? Oh, it surged too, up 12% year over year to $6.73 billion, also topping consensus expectations. Yep, Intuit is absolutely flexing here. A major chunk of this revenue came from Intuit's small business and self-employed group, which contributes 35.4% to the total pot. This segment grew its revenue by 18% year over year, hitting $2.38 billion. Within this, the online ecosystem revenues were the stars, climbing 19% to $1.8 billion. QuickBooks Online accounting alone saw a 19% rise to $860 million, thanks to a growth in customer numbers, higher prices, and a shift towards Intuit's full-service offerings. Not only did QuickBooks get a shout-out, but the online services like payroll, payments, and even time tracking also brought in the big bucks. These services saw revenues soar by 20% year over year, largely due to strong performances from MailChimp and QuickBooks Online Payroll, among others. The consumer group didn't slack off either, with revenues jumping 9.3% to $3.65 billion. And let's not forget about Credit Karma, which contributed an additional $443 million, an 8% surge, driven by more business in areas like credit cards and auto insurance. Now let's talk cash and dividends. As of April 30th, 2024, Intuit's cash and investments totaled $4.7 billion, up from $1.48 billion in January. Sure, they have a long-term debt of nearly $6 billion, but they also repurchased $584 million worth of shares. Plus, they've upped their quarterly dividend by 15% to 90 cents per share, set to be paid out in July. Despite the great news, it wasn't all rainbows and sunshine. The stock was trading lower by 5.33% in pre-market activity, likely due to conservative guidance for the next quarter. For Q4 2024, Intuit expects revenues to grow by 13 to 14% and EPS to come in between 80 and 1.85 cents, lower than some analysts had anticipated. However, the long-term outlook remains strong, bolstered by strategic investments in AI and specialized services. The company's CEO, Sasan Goodarzi, highlighted the transformative impact of AI, noting that it allows Intuit to deliver more value to customers while managing costs effectively. So there you have it. Intuit is definitely a hot topic today with some stellar financial results, strategic advancements, and a promising future in AI. It's certainly a stock to keep an eye on if you're in the tech and finance game. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.